Welcome back again. Today we are exploring the world of aerial photography and videography with DJI Mini 2 SE. The compact drone is packed with features and we are going to explore what makes it stand out choice for both beginners and expert. But before we get into the details, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. The DJI Mini 2 SE inherits the sleek and foldable design. It's incredible, compact and lightweight, making it a breeze to carry wherever your adventure take you. The build quality is sturdy and arms fold neatly, making it easy to toss into your backpack. You will notice the familiar DJI aesthetics with the iconic gray and white color scheme. The build materials feel premium and overall it's a well-crafted piece of technology. The Mini 2 SE is a joy to fly whether you are a novice or an experienced pilot. It boasts an impressive maximum flight time of up to 31 minutes on a single charge, allowing you to capture more breathtaking footage without consistently worrying about returning to base. The 3-axis gimbal ensures stable and smooth footage even in windy conditions. The drone is equipped with GPS and altitude sensors for precise hovering and accurate flight paths. Beginners will appreciate the user-friendly controls, while advanced users can take advantage of features like quick shots and automated flight modes. What matters most: the camera. The Mini 2 SE features a capable 12-megapixel camera that can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second. The image quality is fantastic, capturing vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you are capturing landscapes or recording your latest adventure, the Mini 2 SE would not disappoint. You can also unleash your creativity with modes like panorama and sphere, giving your shots a unique perspective. The camera is adjustable remotely, allowing you to find the perfect angle for your shots during flight. DJI is known for its intelligent flight features, and the Mini 2 SE is no exception. It comes with impressive features like smart return to home, allowing the drone to return its takeoff point automatically. GPS-based features like geofencing and precise hovering add an extra layer of safety and control. Quick shots making capturing cinematic footage a breeze. With modes like drone and helix, you can create professional-looking shots without any advanced piloting skills. These features make the Mini 2 SE accessible to beginners while offering enough versatility for experienced pilots. Let's not forget about the remote controller. It's compact, ergonomic and feels comfortable in your hands. The control sticks are responsive and you have dedicated button for taking photos and recording videos. The included phone holder allow you to easily connect your smartphone for a live view of what the drone sees. The remote controller connects seamlessly to the drone, providing a reliable connection for a smooth flying experience. It's user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to get the hang to flying the Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a fantastic drone that strikes a perfect balance between portability, performance and affordability. Whether you are a beginner looking for explore aerial photography or any experienced pilot is need to of compact travel companion, the Mini 2 SE has a lot to offer. If you are interested in capturing the stunning aerial footage without breaking the bank, the DJI Mini 2 SE is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check the links in description for latest pricing and availability. Thanks for joining us today and happy flying.